Okay, I'm back now. Yeah. Okay, I'm getting ready to set the plenum down on the top of the intake manifold. Do a last check to make sure that your surface where this gasket meets is clean and that you don't have nothing extra laying down inside that could fall in the engine. Make sure that all your plugs, electrical plugs for the fuel injector lines are positioned as close to the bottom as possible. Okay, these lines, since I didn't unhook them when I put them in, now I lubed up this gasket again, and I lubed up this area here where the injection assembly goes in. This goes in like this. Hopefully there's no problems. Oops, didn't want that to come back off, but it's not that important. Okay, I had to pull this fuel injection chamber forward a little bit, and there's another valve in the front. That don't go there. There. I wanted this to come up all the way into position. If the plenum is not sitting down completely and is kind of rocking back and forth a little bit, this is not up in place. So you need to keep moving things around, trying to pull it up until these come up above the plenum, because this is what this locks down in. So I'm going to get some bolts started. Watch that you get your bolts in the right place. Some of them's longer than others. Get your valves that have to be in their holes. The bolts go through them. I gotta get this Be careful where you drop your bolts. They could go down. Or you don't want them to. Why won't it start? Maybe because it's long enough. Looks like a short one. That's a longer one. Let's see how it is. When you put your bolts in, don't tighten them up till all your bolts are in place. Who's this saying? That's another short one. Try this one over here. Any bolt that contacts the plenum assembly directly